Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your password in Words with Friends. To change your password in Words with Friends, launch the Words with Friends app on your device first. Once you're in the home page logged into your account, tap on your profile icon at the top left. This will bring up the profile section where you'll need to tap on the pencil icon right next to your name. Now, scroll down and look for the password option at the bottom under Login. Tap on the password box and create a new password for your account. In the next field, confirm the password by re-entering it again. Finally, tap on Save Profile at the bottom, and your account password has now been changed. If you've forgotten your password as well, you can usually do that and change to a new password. So that is how you easily change your password in Words with Friends. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share for more tutorials like this. I will be back again. Thank you for watching.